Hello everyone, welcome to Kavin English Learning channel. Today also we are going to learn some basics of computers. Today the lesson 2. Let's start our lessons today. Historically, computers were classified according to processor type because development in processor and processing speeds were the development benchmarks. Earliest computers used vacuum tubes for processing, were huge and broke down frequently. However, as vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors and then chips, their size decreased and processing speeds increased manifold. All modern computers and computing devices use microprocessors, whose speeds and storage capacities are skyrocketing day by day. The developmental benchmark for computers is now their size. Computers are now classified on the basis of their use or size. Desktop, laptop, tablet, server, mainframe, supercomputer. Let us look at these types of computers in detail. The first one is desktop. Desktop computers are personal computers we called as PCs, designed for use by an individual at a fixed location. IBM was the first computer to introduce and popularize use of desktops. A desktop unit typically has a CPU, that means Central Processing Unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Introduction of desktops popularized use of computers among common people as it was compact and affordable. You can see the desktop computer in this image. Riding on the wave of desktop's popularity, many software and hardware devices were developed, especially for the home or office user. The foremost design consideration here was user-friendliness. The next one is laptop. Despite its huge popularity, desktops gave way to a more compact and portable personal computer called laptop in 2000s. Laptops are also called notebook computers or simply notebooks. Laptops run using batteries and connect to network using Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity chips. They also have chips for energy efficiency so that they can conserve power whenever possible and have a longer life. You can see the image of the laptop computer. Modern laptops have enough processing power and storage capacity to be used for all office work, website designing, software development, and even audio-video editing. Okay, next one is the tablet. After laptops, computers were further miniaturized to develop machines that have processing power of a desktop but are small enough to be held in one's palm. Tablets have touch-sensitive screen of typically 5 to 10 inches where one finger is used to touch icons and invoke applications. You can see the image of tab here. Keyboard is also displayed virtually whenever required and used with touch strokes. Applications that run on tablets are called apps. They use operating systems by Microsoft, Windows 8 and later versions, or Google Android. Apple computers have developed their own tablet called iPad, which uses a proprietary OS called iOS. And then the server. Servers are computers with high processing speeds that provide one or more services to other systems on the network. They may or may not have screens attached to them. A group of computers or digital devices connected together to share resources is called a network. Servers have high processing powers and can handle multiple requests simultaneously. Most commonly found servers on networks include file or storage server, game server, application server, database server, mail server, print server. Mainframe. Mainframes are computers used by organizations like banks, airlines, and railways to handle millions and trillions of online transactions per second. Important features of mainframes are big in size, hundreds times faster than servers, typically 100 megabytes per second, very expensive, use proprietary OS provided by the manufacturers, inbuilt hardware, software, and firmware security features. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are the fastest computers on Earth. They are used for carrying out complex, fast, and time-intensive calculations for scientific and engineering applications. Supercomputer speed or performance is measured in teraflops, for example, 1012 floating point operations per second. Chinese supercomputer Sunway Taihulite is the world's fastest supercomputer with a rating of 93 petaflops per second. For example, 93 quadrillion floating point operation per second. Most common uses of supercomputers include molecular mapping and research, weather forecasting, environmental research, oil and gas exploration. Okay everyone, hope you all enjoyed and understood today's computer studies very well. So, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I will meet you soon with an interesting lesson later. Bye.